Hey guys, how are you doing? So Apple released iOS 16.5.1a rapid security response update yesterday, and within few hours it immediately pulled back the update. And if you're checking today morning whether you have received the 16.5.1 update, because some users have also received a notification in their settings app, you may not be able to update right now. If you have automatic download feature for the system software update turned on, you may be able to update if the update is already downloaded. Otherwise, when it refreshes under the settings general software update section, you won't be able to see the iOS 16.5.1a update. And the size of the update also came around 2.7 MB for my iPhone 14 Plus. It will vary according to the iPhone model, but it will be very small in size. And this update specifically fixes one WebKit related high critical security risk that is reported by an anonymous security researcher, as they have mentioned it in the release notes. Considering the importance of this update, I think Apple may already be working on 16.5.2 or 16.5.1b update, which will come with the security warning messages that people were seeing while visiting any website in the Safari browser after the update. I have updated yesterday night to the 16.5.1a update, and since then I'm not seeing any security warning messages while browsing websites. But for some users it seems to be a problem, maybe due to the network settings or network connection based problem, and Apple understood that there is a problem that some users are facing, and that could be the reason why they immediately pulled back the 16.5.1a update to work on the fix and release it maybe in 2 or 3 days maximum. Along with this update, Apple also released 16.6 beta next version and other iOS 17 beta version updates. So if you are already using beta version, then you may check your device for any latest update to proceed with the download. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.